welcome to the channel. We're kicking it off with a build of my new drift car. So without further ado, here's my new drift car. Just kidding, this isn't actually my new drift car, but if you do want to see more info on my boosted E46, get subscribed, do all that fun stuff. Enough messing about, here's my actual drift car. So we've got an E36 325i 95 model. It's got an M50 in it, but unfortunately, as you can see, the M50 is currently not in it at the moment. So she's actually blown a head gasket, so we've had to pull it out, which is what you'll see in this episode. So we got this baby for a steal. It's a Vert black interior. It's got 160,000 kilometers or 100,000 miles, and it's got a fresh respray. Probably isn't going to last too long anyway. But unfortunately, it's automatic, so we're definitely going to have to do something about that before we can do any skids. Enough chit chat, let's get stuck into it. Right, so we just pulled the front end off and everything around here. There's usually spot welds here that you need to drill off, but we were lucky and it seems like the front end's been off before, so they've already been taken care of. So we just gotta undo all this wiring and stuff, and the ECUs, and then pretty much just gotta do the exhaust. Well, exhaust is done, we just gotta do the manual linkages and the drive shaft, and it's just pretty much ready to come out. Sweet. Managed to get the engine out. Only issue was nicked a power steering line there. Unfortunately, we forgot to disconnect the power steering reservoir and pull the engine out with it still attached, and it's just nicked that line. So we'll have to get a new one of those. So that's where we're gonna leave it for today. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you like, sub, do all that stuff, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.